Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveySparrow account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set one of your emails in SurveySparrow to be the default email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set one email as your default email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and sending your SurveySparrow emails out, you might have accidentally sent one of your backup emails as the main email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveySparrow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveySparrow, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set your email default, you're going to click up here on the top right, this little gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down until you see this button here called email. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the emails you have set up with your SurveySparrow. So what you want to do next is hover over the email that you want to set as your default. So for example, this one, and then off to the right, you're going to see three little dots. Click on the three dots. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this drop down menu, and you want to click on this button here, set as default. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and you're going to see this little gray indicator default next to the email that you just set up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set one of your emails as the default email in SurveySparrow, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.